Hi, in this lesson, we will see about what is product feed and how we can download the product feed and how we can optimize and upload it to the Google Merchant Center. Let's first see how is a template from the Google Merchant Center looks like. So going into the Google Merchant Center now. So go to sources, data sources. So here I am selecting add data source. Go to Google Sheets. Use this template, right? Yeah, select all, continue. Let's wait. Yeah. So now use this template. You see here a template is downloaded here, right? So we will see it what this is, but here you can also select. When you select this template here, you should also select which country you wanted to target. So here I am selecting India, save, and the language and all these methods, pre-listing everything. Okay, so after selecting all these details, you click on continue, right? So here you have the details, Google Sheet template, the latest update history and your setup, that is what is the details you have given and what is the scheduled updates, at what time you wanted to schedule, everything you can give here. So here it is fetching the details from this Google Sheet. Let's open this sheet. So this is the template, right? So when we clicked on this Google Sheet template here, this template has opened. So if you observe here, it is fetching the product details from this Google Sheet. So this is just a overview or a template that Google has given, that how we can follow to optimize or how we can build our product feed. So these are some columns that are required in order to upload it into the Google Merchant Center. So here it is saying like, so these are the details. So for you to understand, I have segmented it into columns like this so that you will understand it very clearly. So these are the required details, So pro ID, what is the ID of your product, right? And what is the title of the product? Description, what is the description? What is the availability? So if there is any non-availability, what will be the tentative availability date, expiration date, link, mobile link? These are the few required columns that Google says are mandatory. So out of these columns that we can give, if you observe here, these are the required. That means it has to be there. Okay, there is no other option. So if you observe here, availability date, availability if available is pre-order or back order. That means if there is anything out of stock, okay. So when will be that product available? Or if anything new product you are launching. So if you are having any pre-order bookings, then when will be that available? So those details you can give here. So likewise, so on the respective columns, you can also see a few examples. So what is this ID? So your product's unique ID. So how will be it looking like? You see, enter a unique ID to help Google distinguish each product from the others. Use SKUs, that is uh, as your IDs where possible. What are SKUs, right? So let's go into any of the product here. Hmm, let's say let's keep for FNP, okay, or let's go for Digistore Pros only. Here, if you see, I'm going into this product. So let's see if there is any SKU. You see here SKU. What is meant by SKU? SKU means stock keeping unit, nothing but your ID, right? Your product's ID. So let's see. This is the one, right? So these are the few details, These are the few details that you have to give. Required means it has to be there. Optional means it is up to you whether you wanted to give it or not. So like this, you have multiple columns that you need to specify in order to load it into the Google Merchant Center. So we can also have the description and we can also have some examples here how the feed should look like. Out of these feed, as I told you, few things are very important that are marked as required: ID, title, description, availability, right? link, that is the link of your product, mobile link if there is any mobile link available, image link, price, sale price, this is optional. Okay, so identifiers, you see every product will be having some identifiers, so based on the region you are marketing those products. So if the identifier exists, you need to specify them. Okay, so there are GTN, MPN, such identifiers you need to specify, right? Global trade item number, GTN means, and MPN means manufacturer part number. Like this you need to specify the identifiers. So this is brand, what is the brand of the product, like this, right? So there are some required columns like this, you see. So these are the few columns, that you should be uh, giving in the product feed, right? Out of this product feed, there is one more column that you need to know, that is the custom columns. You see here, along with this product feed, here we don't have any product custom columns. So there is a very good use of custom columns. There are we can give up to 5 custom columns, that is custom label 0, custom label 1, custom label 2, custom label 3, and custom label 4. Likewise we can give 5 custom columns. So the use of these custom columns, you can categorize your products into different uh, types. Let's say here in this example, you see, let's say this is a product. So I have given here 2 examples. Let's say here this is the ID of the product is 202, and here the title, this is the title of the product, and this is the description of the product, and in stock availability. So a link of the product, mobile link. So what is the custom label? Custom label means, so which category or which type of the product it is. That is what you can mention here. So here in the custom label 0, I have mentioned that this product belongs to men's category, and in the custom label 1, this product belongs to sale. That means currently we are in the sale. So this product is in sale, and in sale this product belongs to men's category. So likewise you can give 5 custom labels according to the strategy you are building. So these custom labels are very important while building the campaigns in Google Ads, because so in Google Ads we need to know which category the product belongs, or which category we need to target. How will you target without knowing which category and which type the product is, right? You don't know, right? So these custom labels helps to segment the products. Please remember, these custom labels are very important, right? So next is the image link. What is the price, sale price if there is any. Likewise, I have given you few, here I have given few details for the products. So in Digistore Pros, in this dummy website, we have few products that are available. You see here, right? There are here few products that are available. So we prepare the feed of these products. So for it, what you have to do is, it depends on the kind of website you are in. Let's say you are in the custom coded website, you need to ask your developers to give the feed, or you need to ask your client, or you need to ask your marketing team to prepare a feed for Google Merchant Center. So that should include all these columns, ID, title, all these columns, right? All these columns it should include. So let's prepare it. So if you are using any WordPress website, you can use some plugins that help to build the custom labels, I mean the product feed. So here I'm using this plugin to build the product feed, right? So new feed. So here you have some feed templates. Okay, you see. So here you have some feed templates. Out of these feed templates, you can select this Google Shopping, through which you can download similar to the fields that are required for Google Merchant Center. These are the fields that will be fetched from your website, right? So what is the field file type that you wanted to download? CSV. Let's keep it as CSV, all variants. And after you having all these columns set up, you just come here and update and generate. Your file will be downloaded. So once the file is downloaded, you can copy that data and paste it here. So let's see. I have some feed that I have already prepared for you. So this is the feed that I have downloaded from this website. Okay. So these are few details that I have given. You observe the custom labels. So if you see, these are the custom labels I have given. Women. So few products are belongs to men, few products are belongs to women, and few products are belongs to outdoor fun, like this indoor fun, board games, watches, earrings, hats. Like this you can give the custom labels. Likewise, you can give up to 5 custom labels. So you can segment and you can categorize so that you can identify which product belongs to which category or which sale type, or which product have certain offer that we are running. So I hope you are understanding the use of these custom labels, right? So I'm this is the feed that we have prepared according to the Google template. ID, title, okay. Please make sure that these IDs and titles are there are no any spelling mistakes or like that, okay. So here I am deleting this one. So right, or yeah, you can delete this one. So here what I am doing, so let's prepare it. I am also clearing the format here, clear formatting, right? Because here you see these are the some drop downs here. You see these are some, there are some drop downs. We don't want some these drop downs here. Let's see, copy this data and paste it here, right? So you see, yeah, our feed is uploaded into, I mean our feed is pasted here in the Google template that it has provided. This is the one. So now after pasting your feed that you have prepared with all the custom labels and all the columns required, you paste it here in the Google sheet that we have got from here, right? This is the file that we have got from that Google sheet link. So here you pasted the data. After you pasted data, just go here and update. It will fetch the products that you have given here, right? After it fetching the details, so what happens, the products will be reflected here in Google Merchant Center. These products are reviewed by Google algorithms whether these are incomplacent with the Google Ads policies, or whether these are incomplacent with the region you wanted to target, right? So once they are reviewed, once they are approved, you will be able to target them in the Google Ads. So here, as this is a dummy product feed, you won't be see any uh, products are eligible, because as I said, this is a dummy feed. All the products will be disapproved. But yours, as it will be an original feed, your products will be approved. If your products are not approved, make sure that you give all the required details, right? So once you give all the required details and accurate details, your products will be approved. So even though these are disapproved, we can see these products in the Google Ads account. So in Google Ads account, we can target, we can segment and target them. But once this, as these are disapproved, these products won't show on Google search engine because these are disapproved. You need to make sure that the products are approved. The approved products only shown in the Google Merchant Center, and I mean in the Google search results page. I mean the approved products will only be eligible for showing as ads through Google Ads. Even though you see them in Google Ads account, they won't be shown as ads on Google properties unless they are approved, right? So I hope you are understanding these differences. So it might take, it might take a little while. It might sometimes also take for 3 to 4 days for fetching these details and for approvals, right? Let's see. Let's update here once again. As I told you, it will take a little time. Okay. So this is the process that you have to follow in order to fetch or in order to upload the product feed into Google Merchant Center. Once this Google Merchant Center is linked to your Google Ads account, you can go ahead and use those products. So let's revise what we have discussed till now, right? So first you need to pull the data from your website, or you need to ask your marketing managers to provide product feed. Once the product feed is fetched, or once you got the product feed, you need to specify what is the work you have to do. That is, you can use the custom labels, that is uh, which product goes into which category, how to identify those products, and all those things you need to do some work there around, okay. And after doing all the custom labels, after adding all the custom labels and after optimizing all the product feed, you can go ahead and upload it into the Google Merchant Center. Once you have uploaded it into the Google Merchant Center, in the Google Merchant Center, the products will be reviewed. After the products are reviewed, they are if they are eligible, then those products are eligible to show as ads on Google properties, right? So make sure that this Google Merchant Center is linked to your Google Ads account. Then only you will be able to see the products that you have linked or that you have uploaded in the Google Merchant Center in the Google Ads account, right? And in the Google Ads account, we have to segment those products according to our strategy, and we need to target them so that they will be showing in the search engine results page and other places as well, right? We will see how to create these shopping campaigns and all those things in the next coming classes. But I hope you have understood this concept of how to prepare the product feed, the importance of custom labels and all those things, right? So I suggest you to go through all these details. What are the required details? What are the different columns that are required for product feed? All those things. We will meet in the next lesson.